If you're feeling a little tired of the same old camping setup, well, get ready, because today we are diving into some next level camping gear and gadgets that are going to totally upgrade your outdoor experience. So let's get ready, set, camp. Introducing the first two-person ground-to-air tent, the reimagined Sunda 2.0. This innovative backpacking tent is designed to convert into an all-in-one hammock, giving you the freedom to camp on the ground or in the air. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor excursions. This tent is also really roomy, with almost 35 square feet of space inside. That's plenty of room for you and a friend, or even your kids and the dog. It also features special venting for maximum airflow and visibility, ensuring you stay cool and dry in any weather. Priced at $430, the Sunda 2.0 is not the cheapest tent on the market, but for campers who love versatility and comfort, it is definitely a game changer. Are you tired of struggling with hot pots and hard-to-recycle fuel canisters during your camping trips? Well, the Outdoor Element Camp Kitchen Pot Gripper is the perfect solution for you. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, this tool is not only lightweight, but is also incredibly durable. It can support up to 10 pounds, making it suitable for the most standard camp cookware. The heat-resistant silicone tabs provide a comfortable and secure grip for your hands and cookware. For around $15, this gripper is a great way to keep your campsite safe and organized. Plus, those silicone tabs won't scratch your precious cookware. So next time you're out camping, ditch the oven mitts and grab the handle pot gripper. Illuminate your outdoor adventure with the ABFOCE Solar Camping Lantern. For just $27, this lantern packs a punch. It's got 1800 lumens of brightness, which is plenty to light up your whole campsite. Plus, it's got 13 different light modes, so you can choose the perfect setting for any situation. Need a reading light? They got you covered. Want to send out an SOS signal? This lantern can do that too. It also features a built-in 3000 mAh polymer battery that lasts up to 30 hours and can be charged via solar power or USB. The lantern is portable, lightweight, and IP66 waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor use. So get your hands on the ABFOCE Solar Camping Lantern for a reliable, versatile, and convenient lighting solution on your next adventure. Experience the ultimate convenience with the HYDAWAY Collapsible Insulated Bowl. This innovative bowl transforms from a flat pack to a spacious 1-quart bowl in seconds. Perfect for meals on the go, even as a portable dog water bowl. The bowl features a sleeve around the sides and base that protects your hands from burns and keeps food warmer for longer. The spill-proof lid keeps heat in and flies out, ensuring your meals stay fresh and secure. Made from durable silicone, this bowl is built to last and can be collapsed and expanded for years of use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. At $35, it's perfect for campers who are all about saving space and reducing waste. The HYDAWAY Collapsible Bowl is definitely a game changer. Stay connected with the BeBest long-range walkie-talkies. These rechargeable two-way radios offer a range of advanced features to enhance your communication experience. These support app programming and offer 60 custom channels, which can be set among a total of 118 channels, including 22 FRS channels, 16 PMR channels, and 80 UHF-CB channels. And you can keep your conversation secure and confidential with 122 privacy codes. The app also provides standard map features, allowing you to scale and measure distances. The BeBest app also allows you to share your location, even in areas without network access, providing an added layer of safety during your adventures. Now, here's the best part. The BeBest LITO walkie-talkies are available for just $80. So now you can experience long-range communication and convenience without breaking the bank. You're welcome. Say goodbye to packing multiple gadgets and hello to the streamlined convenience with the CAHEO, a multifunctional camping lantern that's your ultimate adventure buddy. Created by ESPECTRO, this multifunctional lantern combines the functions of a camping light, hand warmer, mosquito repeller, and portable power bank, all in one convenient package. With a built-in 15,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the CAHEO lantern can last for more than 75 hours, providing ample light and warmth during your outdoor adventures. The lantern features two modes, flashlight and illumination, offering a maximum brightness of 360 lumens to illuminate your surroundings. All this for a starting price of just $39. Invest in a CAHEO and experience the comfort and convenience of a truly all-in-one camping lantern. Get yourself a unique piece of jewelry designed to be a practical tool for outdoor camping. The Alien Titanium Digging Tool. This little dude is actually a titanium digging tool disguised as a super cool pendant. It's made from a super strong metal grade 5 titanium, the same stuff they use in rockets. That means it's tough enough to handle anything you throw at it, from digging a fire pit to prying open a stubborn jar. The best part? It's not just a fancy decoration. This alien has a sharp claw that can double as a box opener, pry tool, or even a glass breaker in case of emergencies. At around $170, it's an investment in a super strong, multi-purpose tool that you can wear to be prepared in any situation. Tired of bulky camp stoves that weigh you down? Look no further than the TAKUBI, a revolutionary camping stove that's both ultra-portable and incredibly strong. TAKUBI is designed to make your camping experience easier. It folds into a square that measures about 5.5 inches, making it easy to pack and set up. Despite its compact size, it has a maximum weight capacity of 130 pounds, making it the strongest camping stove on the market. Each piece of TAKUBI is carefully fabricated by Japanese craftsmen using very thick stainless steel, making it extremely durable. So what are you waiting for? Get your TAKUBI today and enjoy the convenience of a portable and durable camping stove on your next outdoor adventure. Now here's another stove option for you. The Fire Maple Lava Multi-Fuel Backpacking Stove Kit might be your perfect match. This versatile stove boasts a number of features that make it a great choice for backpackers and campers alike. The multi-fuel stove is compatible with a variety of fuels, including screw-on gas canisters, gasoline, and kerosene, giving you the flexibility to fuel your adventure with whatever's available. The kit includes a stove, an empty 500 ml fuel bottle, a pump, a gas cartridge bracket, a repair kit, and a super soft carrying pouch. So whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a weekend warrior, the Fire Maple Lava Multi-Fuel Stove Kit is a valuable companion for any outdoor adventure. Never be caught with a dead phone in the wild with the JikoPower Spark. This innovative gadget uses fire to charge your cell phone and other USB devices, making it a lifesaver for emergencies, camping trips, or even powering up during a power outage. The Spark uses a thermoelectric module to conveniently heat into electricity. It utilizes the temperature difference between the hot and cold sides of the module to generate electrical output. This $110 device is not just about convenience, though. It's also built to withstand tough environments, and is projected to outlast other heat chargers by at least 3 times. It has no moving parts and is designed for versatility and durability. So if you want to ensure that you're never without power when you need it, definitely check out the JikoPower Spark. And that's it for our look at some next level camping gear and gadgets to seriously elevate your campsite. Let us know in the comments below which one blew your mind the most, or if there's a crazy camping gadget that you think we missed. We'd love to hear your ideas. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks again for watching Ready Set Camp. Happy camping, and we'll see you in the great outdoors.